That's late there. It's a little hard to tell how far up under.
So that's the most recent collection, and then this.
There was a takedown there. We're going to get another takedown here in a minute.
You get points for the takedown, right? You get two points for a takedown, and this is another, right?
That's a takedown for Spencer.
So it's 2-2.
2-2.
Yeah.
That's an escape.
Is that an escape?
Yeah,
because he got to his feet as an escape. And see, I think you got to have a point for blows landed.
Yeah.
It's 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
And now the tired out part's coming.
Yeah.
Kind of look like they're dancing right there.